Hello all, I welcome you in this video. In this video, we'll be discussing about the theoretical concepts of project management. So my first slide is about projects. What do you mean by project? According to project management body of knowledge, the definition of project is project are temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. So projects are done to fulfill the objectives of a product or service and achieve some deliverable. And there are different types of projects that vary from small scale to large scale, and hence teams are deputed accordingly. Defining project success. There are three core elements of success. Number one, you must set at least one goal for creating a product or a result. Number two, the project should have a definite start and a definite end. Number three, every project requires seamless funds so that you have to make sure that there are no roadblocks in contractor payments, purchase of equipments, and salaries. What is project management and its importance? So, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to meet the project requirements. Project management enables the organization to execute projects efficiently and effectively. What does effective project management means? So effective project management means that it should be meeting the business objectives. The project should be meeting the business objectives. It should be able to satisfy the stakeholder expectations. Number three, there are increased chances of success. Number four is delivering the right products at the right time. What is project planning? So during project planning, the project scope is defined and described with greater specificity as more information about the project is known. So there are 6 steps involved in it. Number one is define objectives. We define clear objectives by outlining what the project aims to achieve. Number two is we define the scope by determining what are the boundaries, the deliverables, and the constraints. Number three is we define tasks by decomposing into manageable tasks. Number four is we anticipate the what will be the resources that are required to complete the task. Number five is we do the risk management. Okay, we anticipate the potential risk and we prepare some mitigation plans. And number six is we perform stakeholder engagement to ensure that the all relevant stakeholders are involved and their requirements are addressed. What is project scheduling? Project scheduling provides a detailed plan that represents how and when the project will deliver the product, service, and result defined in the project scope. So it has 5 steps involved. Number one is we create a detailed timeline for task execution. Number two is we then l- organize task logically, that is critical path method, Gantt chart. Then third one is we assign resources. Fourth one is we establish some key points to measure progress. Number five is we monitor and adjust the progress as per the requirement. Why do we need to do project scheduling? So we need a detailed plan to start the execution. So once the project is baseline, we need to regularly reassess the works, and if there are any unexpected changes, we have to address them. So schedule acts as a roadmap for delivering the project outcomes, and it tells you what task will be performed on what date, what task will be completed on what date. So this is the roadmap that the project, the schedule gives us. So guys, hope you have understood all these concepts, and meet you in the next video. Take care.